Greetings, team. We're about to go over a few Muay Thai guards that you can use. Everybody guards a little bit different. Have you noticed that?
Yes.
Some people hold their hands in a boxing guard. Some people hold their hands more traditional. Some people show their palms. Some people show their knuckles. So we're going to give you variations of the Muay Thai guard that you can use and some of the advantages and disadvantages of all of them. I know you're going to find this content extremely valuable. You ready to cook?
Yes, I'm ready to cook.
Tabernacle. Here we go. So first things first, we always start out from the foundation, correct?
Yes.
So let's give it to them on the way we stand. For beginners, very simple. Feet together, shoulder width apart, half a step back. Not a full step, but a half a step. Front foot, just a little bit out. That's going to allow you to block the kicks easy. It's going to allow you to whip the body kick very fast, okay? And it gives you a nice square stance, okay, for good defense and offense. So now we're going to go for the guard. The simple, basic guard that I always teach beginners, very simple. One body guard, two body guards. Hands next to my eyebrows. Not next to my eyes, not next to my cheek. Here, hands next to my eyebrows. I see a lot of beginners, they mess up on this part. They have it flat, okay, straight across. So it looks like this. So we have it flat. That's not really good. That's not what we're going for right now. It's one here, elbow, and then one here. That's the basic day number one guard that we teach. This is the advantage of it. You have one body guard, meaning that if the punch gets past this one, whoop, at least you have this one. If the punch gets past this one, at least you can move your head back. Versus if it's flat, just like that, no good. See, I'm pop, neck goes back. I can easily bang right through the middle of the guard. Even if I wanted to touch his hands, bop, it's flat now. I got him. I can knee, I can push, I can do whatever because the guard is flat. So I don't like this straight across. Here, one more time. So I want one body guard and two body guards. Hands next to my eyebrows. Very nice. Good. Chin tucked. Very good. That's guard number one. Guard number two, it's palm here, just like this. Good. The advantages of this one, it gives you great hand control. I can jab easy. I can block anything. You have good hand control. So if his hands are up, good hand control. It's much easier. Remember, this is a game of milliseconds. So my guard is here versus showing the palms. Who's going to get there first? What do you think? Let me see. You try to, very good. Okay, because it's already here and you just stepping forward. Yappa, bang. Well, a few disadvantages of this one. In my opinion, it makes you a little bit more susceptible to punches. Bang, 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 bang. It's a little bit harder to block. But the good thing about this one is that this is more of Femur style. So you're going to have a range. See how far I am? Yappa. I have a good distance anyway. So my palms are up. The elbows, again, they aren't flared. They're down. Next to here, very good. My rear hand, it's next to my eyebrow, but again, it's facing this way. I want it a little bit higher than my eyebrow. My eyebrow stops here for the first one. I want it a little bit higher. A smidget, not too high. My hands are here. This is my house, and I'm under my house, okay? Right here. It's like a canopy. It's about a foot out, all right? This is my bubble. Not here. It's easy to push the hands, and it's easy to close the gap. So here, with my jaw, I'm protecting it with my shoulder. So I'm not here doing it. This is my jaw, this is my shoulder, and I protect it with my shoulder. See where my hands are at? He can teep. If you teep, move. If he punch, see? I'm more long with it. If he kicks, stang, I still can catch. I'm not super flared. My elbows are down, but this hand's a little bit out on the lead. That's how I do it. Move, jab, just like that. Very good, Tito, very good. The third Muay Thai guard that I recommend is the strong boxer's guard, the Muay Cow guard. So it's kind of like the first guard, one body guard, two body guard, but I turn my knuckles, I turn it towards my face. Okay, so the first one was here, second one was here, this is the third one. If he punch, see, boom, it's here. That's how I'm guarding it. My chin is supremely tucked. It has to be strong because you're going into the fire. I'm not Femur playing out here. No. I'm walking forward just like this into the fire. So even if he uppercuts, look, everything is blocked. Boom. Punch, boom. How do you do that one? Very simple. Same fundamentals. Feet together, shoulder width apart in our stance. One body guard, two body guard. And all I want you to do is turn them forward. next to my eyebrows, but I want you have to flex your arms. Flex and make your guard tight and your chin down. So even when he's walking forward, boom, boom, look, boom, boom. And remember, when you're doing this one, you lift the elbows up too. So a strong guard, and every time he punches, you lift. And when you get close, you elbow or you knee. Super strong guard. Come on. There we go. Bang, 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 bang. There we go. Bang, 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 bang. There we go. Come on. Strong. I want it out, Tito. You're not going to bring it flat and then try to do it. You want to be proactive. This is the bubble, guys. This is the space. Look how close this space is. Jab and hold it. He just held it. Look how close that is to my face. Think about it. Theoretically, if he really wanted to get me, all he have to do is just turn it this way and it go right between my guard. So that bubble is our personal space. We want to make sure that the punch is far away from our face as possible. Boom. Now let go. Look how far away that jab is now. Not only that, I didn't even feel anything. It's here, strong. Here. One more time. Elbows out, not to the side, the more in the front. Just like that. My chin is tucked and I'm walking forward. When I get close, you can punch, you can block. This is a very strong guard. As soon as they start punching, knee. As soon as they start punching, knee. A disadvantage of this is the guys that have that femur style, they can turn you if you're not careful. Right? He's coming forward just like we just did. Strong guard. Look. Move. That's it. And now he has to start over. He's trying to come forward again. Yap. Move. Body kick. Boom. Teep. So a quick overview of all the guards. First, day one guard. There we go. Elbow A is going to be in front of elbow B. Hands next to my eyebrows. Elbows down. This is more of an all-around guard. It's easy to block. Look, see, block, bang, easy to catch, bang, good, let go, easy to jab from there, bang. Everything is very easy from that guard. It's a very good all-around guard. Next we have is the palm guard, showing our palms. This is good for hand control. This is good for a quick jab. Yep, good. It's good for the femur style. It's good for touching and turn. Pop, there you go. And then we have the strong boxer guard, the strong Muay Thai guard, walking forward. We're going to have the elbows forward this time. Not really on the side, but they're forward. It's good for closing the range and protecting yourself from the punches, allowing you to elbow, up, allowing you to knee. That was a snippet of the full version that you can now get on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. All you have to do is click the link in the description or the pinned comments and register now. Over 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, just for you. And for more Muay Thai training gear and KMA apparel, hit the shop link in the pinned comment and browse our store. All right, gang. For more Muay Thai content that we have on our YouTube channel, check out our Muay Thai YouTube playlist by following this video right here. We know that you're going to enjoy it.